What is going on today, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a little something different today. I am going to be talking to you about metal. That's right, we're going to be talking about metal. Not just any metal, no, we're going to be talking about the tools of the trade of any outdoor activity that you guys are doing out there. We're going to be talking about pliers today. So sit back, sit tight, grab some popcorn, and let's get this video going. Let's go. Set of pliers that we're going to be talking about here are going to be the split ring pliers. These are definitely a tool to have in any fisherman's case, okay? Got to have one of these. These are great when you want to switch out hooks. All right, if you have a bad hook here, you want to take that sucker out and replace it, all right? So we'll do a little quick demo here for you guys. Hopefully I don't get stung here. Let's see here. So you just kind of put that in between the split ring, a couple twists and turns here, comes right out. All right, then you want to put your new hook on there, which will be, this will be the old existing hook. Just opens that right up. And we put that right back on that eyelet there. And just like that, you've replaced your hook on these. All right. Anytime I get a new lure, regardless if it's a high dollar lure or an inexpensive lure, I will always replace the hooks on them, okay? Reason why I do that for is because I never know what quality of hooks that are on this. I don't know where they came from. So I will always replace them out. I have been a big fan of the extra wide gaps with Gamakatsu. I've caught a lot of fish on these. It's just something I feel confident. They're sturdy hooks. I don't believe I've ever broken a fish off these. So again, these are kind of my confident hooks that I go to. Even on these high dollar ones, like this Lucky Craft here, this is a saltwater hook right here, but I will replace it, put on a quality hook on there. I believe these are Daiichi hooks. Correct me if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. But again, I just don't feel that these are real durable. I don't know, they don't feel as strong as, like, again, my my Gamakatsu's here. So I'll replace these. They're probably like the lower end Daiichi hooks, and I believe a lot of companies will do that. Just throw some hooks on there and just out the door they go. So again, I replace them. It's just a confidence thing that I've always had. So I'm giving you a pro tip there. Replace your hooks no matter where you get them at. Put some good stuff on there. Rings, I think these are like a couple bucks here. You can get some new rings. Especially if you saltwater fish, you know, we all know that stuff rusts. Get yourself some stainless steel ones. And then my favorite on the Lucky Craft, and I'll talk to you a little bit, these are some oval rings. And as you can see, they all come standard on all these Lucky Crafts right here. I've been a big fan of these oval rings. I've been using them on a lot of my lures now, my crankbaits and my Rapalas and all that stuff. So I'll replace a lot of them. I just tend to like the way these run a little bit truer. I think it gives the lure a little bit more action. Also too, when you tie on a knot there, it stays put. It doesn't move around like a circle. With circle rings, sometimes you'll get the knot that'll move around and then it'll kind of twist a little bit. But with these oval rings, I'll show you guys real quick right there. If you can see that, hopefully you can see that. But keeps your line straight, you know, always running true. And again, it's just kind of giving a bigger advantage. And since I started investing in these Lucky Crafts, I've caught a lot of fish on these. These are my confidence bait. Yeah, they are a little pricey. I think they go for about 17, 18 bucks a lure. But you know, when you catch fish on a lure, you know how it works. Have confidence. You want to keep fishing with it. So This is my confidence one. I don't know where I got this little bluegill guy at, maybe Walmart or something, but found him in my box, so thought I'd share it with you guys, but got a lot of rattle. I'm gonna probably have to use that next time. The next set of pliers I have are by KastKing. Got these on Amazon, found these. These have been really good. Ergonomically, they feel really good in the hand. They have some nice features there. Got a nice cutter right there for cutting braid. Also, what I like about these, this is actually what sold me on these, is that you can put your hook right up in there in the hole there, and if you're tying a knot, you kind of want to pull get a little extra tension there. This will kind of help. This kind of brings it out a little bit. You want to pull that line a little bit to strengthen that knot up, tighten it up some. So definitely like that. It's got some nice cutters on it. Also, it's pretty cool. It's got a little notch right there for a split ring. So if you're on the water and you need to replace the hook out there, some rings, just kind of do that. Even with the sound effects, kind of does that. But again, I like this. One of the biggest features I bought it is because on my kayak, I can just clip it on my kayak there, and it's got the tethering. So if I fall over or I'm not going to lose it. So because of the tether. So one of the features why I got it. So, but has a nice sheath to it there. Puts right in there. It's ready to go. All right, and my favorite plier that I have that I use and I take this thing wherever I go is made by Gerber. All right, this has a nice sheath to it. Packs really nice. What I love about this pair of pliers is it opens with one hand. Look, watch this, watch this. Ready, one hand. Oh, feels so good, look at that. One more time, here we go, one more time. Ooh, one hand just like that. So if you have a fish in one hand, and you need to get to your pair of pliers, you just open that up, take it out, one hand, unhook it, and just like that, your fish is unhooked, okay? Great multi-use plier. I take these wherever I go, to the beach, camping, hiking, wherever I go, these make a great gift as well. But I've had these for over 20 years, okay? So I don't want you guys to think like, oh, he just has these and he likes them. No, 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 no. I've had these for over 20 years. Yes, these pair of pliers for over 20 years. Now, these have everything on them. And I'll tell you the story about these. I actually saw these advertised with Shaw Grigsby. I think it was some sort of commercial, maybe a Bassmaster commercial or something. I don't know. But he used them, and I bought them. I thought that was a great idea. Having just something with one hand you can open really quick and get that out. So you can see this definitely has some use to it. So, but this has everything. It has a Phillips. It has a flat screwdriver there, flathead screwdriver. It has its can opener, file, knife. The only thing that I'm missing on this is a pair of scissors. I used to have a pair of scissors. Those actually came out. I think I dropped these once or something and it came out. But other than that, I mean, I just use the knife now to cut line or whatnot. But I did go out and I bought 2 additional pair of pliers. So after the scissors broke on this one, I bought another pair. Had those for about 4 or 5 years. And I went fishing with the jetty. I set them down. I totally forgot that I left them on the jetty over at Newport Beach. I was surf fishing over there. Forgot about them. Left them on the rocks. I went back to go get them, and they were gone. So those were lost. Then I bought another pair of pliers a few weeks later. And again, I just wanted an extra pair for the scissors because, again, these didn't have scissors. So got another pair. My hands were cold, and I went to go open it, went to go flick it, and went overboard on my kayak there. So now it's somewhere in Dana Point in the Pacific Ocean. But so these guys have been around me, been true, never left me behind. So I'm done buying an additional pair. So Gerber, if you're watching, if you're listening, you want to send me an extra pair, love to have an extra pair. But in the meantime, these guys have been my go-to pair of pliers. These open up really easy. And I just love these, And as a non-boater, some of these bass guys that have these really nice bass boats, these just fit really nice in the sheath there, so they're not stabbing anybody's upholstery or anything like that. So they come out, have a nice, look at this, nice belt loop. Again, this is the original sheath that I've had with these. So again, even the sheath is quality stuff. But again, opens right up. Get to it. You almost feel like Rambo. You just kind of open that up. It's like, ooh. So, Gerber, you guys make an awesome product made in the USA. Again, I will have the link below to get these. These make great gifts, guys. So, Valentine's Day is coming up. Get this one for your loved one there. And it's got some nice cutters right here. Can't say enough good stuff about these things. So, Definitely a good tool to have regardless where you're at, hiking, camping, any outdoor activity. Want to get yourself and invest in a nice pair of pliers. All right, so these are them right here. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap it up for us today. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, please click like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have some new subscribers. Also, just to let you guys know, I'm going to be putting all these down below in the description below. So again, split ring pliers, multi-purpose, we got the multi-purpose pliers right here by Gerber, and then we got the KastKing pliers right here. Again, I will have all the Amazon affiliate accounts ready to go, so please help me support the channel a little bit. Love to make you guys some quality videos in the near future. Also, make sure you guys pick up a box of those Girl Scout cookies. They are out there. Girl Scouts, you guys rock. You girls do some awesome things out there. Shortbread, oh, some of my favorite. Oh, good stuff. Until then, everyone, get outside, and I will see you on the next video. Later.